Today we learn integration. What is the integration and how to find the integration of any expression. A standard form of integration for x is to power n integration is x is to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Integration of sec square x is tan x. Integration of cos sec square x is minus cot x. Integration of sec x tan x is sec x. Integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of ex is ex. Integration and reverse differentiations both are same. If you differentiate this term, then we get x is to power n. If we differentiate cos x, then we get sin x. If we differentiate sin x, then we get cos x. If we differentiate tan x, then we get sec square x. If we differentiate cot x, then we get cosec square x. If we differentiate sec x, then we get sec x tan x. If we differentiate cosec x, then cosec cot x. If we differentiate log x, then we get 1 by x. If we differentiate ex, then we get ex. Ex is the term in which integration and differentiation both are same. Some more standard form of integration is integration of 1 by root under 1 minus x square, that is sin inverse x. In integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Integration of 1 by x into x square minus 1 is sec x, sec inverse x. Integration of f dash x dx is fx. Same, if we differentiate sin inverse x, then we get this value 1 by root under 1 minus x square. If we differentiate tan inverse x, then we get 1 by 1 plus x square. If we differentiate sec inverse x, then we get 1 by x into root under x square minus 1. If we differentiate fx, then f dash x. Now we have to find the integration. What is the method to find the integration? Following are the method to solve the integration. First one is integration by separation method. Second one is integration by part method. Integration of trigonometrical function. These are the three methods to find the integration of any expression. Now we integrate the expression by substitution method. Example for the substitution method is ex into cos ex dx. This is the first example. Here is the solution. Here suppose y is equal to ex. We just suppose that y is equal to be ex. E to power x is equal to y. Then differentiate this one. Just find out y dash x, y dash. Then dy by dx is equal to be ex. Therefore, dy is equal to be ex dx. Put all values in form of dy. Then you just replace ex by y. Then here is the ex, then we just replace by y, then cos y, and here is ex, then we just replace by y. Then this replaced by y and this replaced by y. Therefore, we can write cos y dy. Why it is a dy, not y? Because of value of ex dx is equal to be dy. Therefore, here you write dy at the position of ex dx, and this is equal to be ex. Now we just integrate this one, cos y, we just integrate cos y, then we get, because the integration of cos y is sin y, therefore here is the sin y plus c. Now put the value of y is equal to be ex, then the answer is sin ex plus c. This is the answer. C is any constant term. This is the example second. Integration of cos root under x upon root under x dx. We have to integrate this term. And then here we suppose y is equal to be root under x. Now differentiate y, then we can write y dash. We differentiate y, dy by dx is equal to be 1 by 2 root under x. Then dx is equal to be 2 root under x dy. Dx is equal to be 2 root under x dy. Put all value in the form of y. Put all value of root under x in the form of y. Then because dx is equal to be 2 root under x dy, this is the dx, and we just replace by y and put the value of dx, put the value of dx. Dx is equal to be 2 root under x dy. Then we get 2 cos y dy. And integration of cos is sin. Then we get the answer is 2 sin y. Put value of y is equal to be root under x in the above expression. Then we get the value of integration is sin root x plus c.